All public, political, social, and religious gatherings are not allowed, including meetings, religious services, trainings, except weddings and funerals are permitted, subjected to adherence of protocols for gathering, which is to be regulated by the respective deputy commissioners.